Hi, my name is Bill Feaver, and I wanted to talk to you today about Nexus Rewards. Why Nexus Rewards now? Well, it's a company that is coming out where you can make money by buying all the things you normally buy and getting rebates and cash back. You can join this for free, and they also have an element called Nexus Snap, which is a business element too, where you can join and make money by having a team or building a business, underneath a network underneath you of affiliates, and becoming network marketers. So there's apps and services where which you can use to make money yearly, and there's people making thousands right now. You can get paid for free signups of $34, and then you get an additional $25 if that paid person signs up for paid signups. You earn 10 plus levels of team overrides. There's a 3x10 force matrix sign up if you sign up 3 people and build a team below those. So basically you only have to sign up 3, but if you keep signing up more, then your team gets bigger and bigger. There's a 100% checked match on your personal referrals and a dynamic 20% coded infinity bonuses. You can make money on this, and you can make money on your purchases too. I've signed up, and I'm just starting, and I've gone through, and you sign up for with these 3 main things, 3 bonus apps right here that I'm showing on the screen are Rakuten, Upside, and Fetch. Rakuten basically has a whole bevy of businesses that where you buy from and you get cash back and savings, and you use your app with this. On Upside, you can get gas discounts from restaurants, gas stations, and more, even from some grocery where you buy your groceries, I found. And just by using the app, you can click in your receipt, and you can get some cash back there and start building it. Fetch is another one where you just scan in what you buy and get money back on what you spend. So it reduces your monthly income. Monthly expenses, and helps you to save money, and in some cases make a lot of money. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I wanted to also make two quick comments. I was looking at my phone for gas prices on the Upside, and I noticed a pretty significant discount. So I was showing it to the person next to me at a Weight Watchers meeting today that I was attending, and basically I explained what it was, and that person was interested in taking a look. So it's very simple to share this, and it's very cool to do that. So you can share it and use it, and hopefully you can either have big savings free as a free user of Nexus, or you can become a paid member where you're actually in it. And the payment to become where it becomes a business for you is a $40 initial administration fee and $10 a month after that. So for $10 a month, you can build a business, and a big one. So I wanted to share that with you, and that's what all I have for you today. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.